but I'm sure in course of time we should be able to implement. Here the patients can send the diet orders through the SMS so that it is recorded. They don't have to call up, they don't have to wait for a dietitian, they don't have to call for a nurse. Nurse's time can be better utilized, and of course it will happen once. Inpatient outstanding. Today all our 450 patients get inpatient outstanding. By the course of the day get their outstanding. Previously somebody has to go to their room and tell, this is your 50,000 rupees your outstanding. Our uncle will be there, and uncle doesn't like hearing that 50,000 rupees outstanding is there. All those cultural issues were there, but that guy just receives it in the SMS and he is very happy. He prepares for getting that money, and we are happy our cash flow is improved. This is another important, I am sure Ram Mohan here, we appreciate this. I said I will tell this in this meeting. It's a great achievement. Yesterday, IT Secretary Satyanarayana did say that it was a huge success in Andhra Pradesh. Believe me, it's a huge success in Tamil Nadu also. This is a very similar system that of the Arogyasri program in Andhra Pradesh. This was implemented just about a year ago. Already they have talked about treating more than 1 lakh of patients. This was started somewhere in July 2009. This is how our Chief Minister inaugurated. This is how we inaugurated it in our hospital. When it started in 2009. They said 1 lakh insurance, 72,000. That is not of importance to us. They said we will cover 352 surgical procedures, but now they have enlarged that list. What is the relevance to ICT into this? And in fact, I was very happy to hear when IT Secretary of Andhra Pradesh yesterday said, if that IT system was not there, if that IT backbone not there, this scheme would have fallen like a pack of cards. He said, we wouldn't have run this system without a very sturdy IT system in place. I am sure Ram Mohan will be very happy to hear that. Today, what is the status of KKT? We are talking about empaneling 750 hospitals. 750 hospitals being connected. About 1.5 crore families enrolled, 1.5 lakh families benefited. This is how it works. The ICT works in the hospital. You see an ordinary lady just seeing all this. Outstanding, the card is a smart card that is given. Enrollment form is there, and all the hospitals get all this here like this. This is the building management system we are talking about. This is one which I saw when I went to Boston, and I said why we should not do it in the hospital. They have 100 lifts being monitored through the building management system. 100 lifts they monitor through the building management system, and this is the BMS room they have, and believe me, we have all the systems. This is how these boys manage. This is the AC plant. We have a centrifugal plant we have in our hospital, and this is the previous plant. And this is the BMS which we have implemented. This is a very, very important system because it eliminates the number of the mechanics you want. We can just double up our electricians as AC mechanics, and maybe have about 40 AHUs. All the AHUs can be switched on and switched off right from the chiller plant. And we can know whether the ICU AHU is working and which are all the FSUs that are working. All that can be done. And today, even canteen is completely automated. We are going to get a digitally operated kitchen equipment where we can cook for about 4,000 people. Of course, yesterday somebody was talking about the dashboard. Dashboard is again a very interesting concept. People like us manage so many things in the hospital. We handle so many departments. We get MIS reports, but we need to open up each screen every time to get that detail. But here, I can know about how many inpatients got admitted, how many packages, that too for the last 1 week, and that too on a real-time basis. It is not a PowerPoint presentation. It is just real-time. Maybe right now I can find out how many master checkup patients are there, how many surgeries were done, and all that. Of course, the speech recognition is being used very much. We are going to use it in our packs. This is the system which has come out. And lastly, I just want to show you some of the energy management system which we are using. Again, the energy management system, we have connected all our high value consumption equipment like effluent treatment plant, AC plants, lifts. All those have been connected to a digital system, and we will be able to know what is the voltage, what is the current, what is the wattage that was consumed, and we will be able to improve our power factor. Because of this, we were able to improve our power factor to 0.99, and we got a rebate of 45 45,000 rupees in the last 7 months. And we were able to improve our tap changing system, and so we were able to save by using this energy saver equipment. By using this, we were able to save about 45,000 rupees. This is the tap changer equipment which you are using, and this we are on a 12% saving mode, and we can even go up to 20%. But our electricity supply voltage is not that good. And last but not the least, I thought I will stop here. This is the latest we are talking about. We are implementing a huge PAX from GE and wonderful PAX system, and we need a data center for that. And this data center, the latest concept is we don't air condition the data center. We just air condition the server in the data center. So we are talking about specific cooling area. So for all you know, if you go to your room like this, the outside will be warm, but inside the server it will be cold, because the water coil, the chilled water coil, will be running around the server, and you will save at least about 2/3 of the electrical energy. That is the latest that is available, and we are talking about green initiatives, making it as a green building. And our hospital got the award for best eco-friendly hospital, and we also have this solar heating system. And these solar heating systems, we have saved almost about 200 liters of diesel every day, and for that we got this presentation again. Thank you so much for patient listening. I think I have taken you through a host of applications using ICT, and how to make our hospitals more patient-friendly and eco-friendly. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As I told you, if you have watched my presentation, we have a monitoring system which is a web-enabled monitoring system. We have connected all our high power-consuming equipments like chiller plants, effluent treatment plants, lifts, sterilizers into a network, and we have changed all our analog meters into the digital meters. So these digital meters send us the energy details, and we have norms. And for a chiller, we need to spend so much of energy per day. If it goes beyond that, then something is wrong. We need to service, we need to change the motor, more energy efficient motor, and we do that. So, and then we also have renewable energy sources now. We are talking about solar plants, we are talking about power factor correction equipment, we are talking about energy saver, and that way we have been able to save almost about 2 lakhs of rupees every month on energy saving alone. And we have become a role model in the whole country for the best energy efficient hospital.
Thank you.
You were showing this patient-operated kiosks.
Yes, please.
And your patients come basically Aswanpur.
Yes.
Vijay College or Aswanpur.
Any place.
And what about the language aspect? How to these systems?
That's a great question. In fact, what we have done is, just if you have seen on the top, we would have written both in Tamil and English, and how to operate that system. And there is also a sort of a facilitator who is by the side, and if they have problem, use it. It is something like people using the mobile phone. It is not that every mobile phone has a Tamil language onto it. Okay, so as long as the sir was saying about the algorithm, Doctor from Hinduja was saying about the algorithms you should write and give it to them, and that algorithm is available to them, and they use it very comfortably. No problem at all. They use it much more than any urban elite. I must tell you that.